All right, so we're going to do question. Let's just look at the first sequence. First step is to figure out, is it arithmetic or geometric or neither? So this one is going down by 3, right? So each number you take away 3. Is that correct for every single difference? So the second term minus the first term is 95. Take 98 is -3. Okay, so that's just kind of some working out. And this, what letter do we call this -3? D. For difference. Okay, the next thing is to figure out the rule. So there's two types of rules we could have.
General.
So there's this one, which you're literally just substituting in the D. So Tn is the nth term. Tn is T for term. It's the nth term. So it's asking for the 10th term. So we could find the 10th term, but we would need the 9th term, and we don't have that. This rule is called that's called the recursive rule, or the recursive form. The general form is, I called it the more powerful one, or the more valuable, the better one. Term n is the first term plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, just for you ladies, the d is at the front. The nth one is the first term, which is 98, plus the d, which is -3, n minus 1. So that's the general rule. So we can just substitute in n equals 10, and that will give us the answer for the question. 71. Okay, next one. Is it arithmetic? Is it geometric? How do we know it's geometric? Every time we go from one term to the next, we're multiplying by 10. How do we figure this out? We can show the working out. T2 divided by T1, 0.01 divided by 0.01 gives us 10. Okay? And if we do that for every consecutive pair of numbers, term 5 divided by term 4, 10 divided by 1, we get 10 again. Okay, so it's always timesing by 10. This gives us the R value, the ratio. So someone in your notes, can you tell me the recursive Tn plus 1 equals Rtn? Again, like we discussed before, we're trying to find the 10th term, so the recursive isn't really useful for this one, because we don't have the 10 terms. So we're better off doing the general form, which is it T1 times R to the power of n minus 1? Yep. So just like the arithmetic one we did, we need T1, which is, what's the first term? 0.01. Good job. And we have the ratio. R is 10. Okay. So now we're going to sub in times 10 to the power of 9. What does that equal? We move the decimal place 9 places. Million! So this is great, because this could be the number of bacteria on your chemistry slide, or biology slide, I should say, not chemistry. Or it could be the population in your economics thing. You know, this is used in so many different ways.